Do you feel the vibes?
Okay, so let's take a look at section 7.6. Here we're going to talk about common logarithms. So when we have been talking about logarithms, they have had, various bases. So you can have log base 3 of x, you can have log base 7 of 12, and so on. You could also have log base 10 of, let's say, 5. Now, when you have this base of 10, this is called the common base. And you can actually rewrite it in more concise form. You can ignore the 10 completely and just say log of 5. So when I see a logarithm like this that's missing a base, I know there is a missing base of 10. Just like I will write 2x, but I would never write 1x. That's just x. Same thing, log base 10 is just written as log. So this is what a common logarithm is. It's when it has a base of 10. All right, so let's use our calculator to find these values rounded to 4 decimal places. In the calculator, the log button is right over here. So I say control, and the number to the left of the 1 is the log button. I'm not going to put anything for the base, so I just press the right arrow to put in a 6. And there we go. You see it already puts in an automatic base of 10, right? So now I get log 6 equal to 0.7782. Okay? So the next one, I'm going to have log of 0.35, and that gives me negative 0.4559 to 4 decimal places. Okay, awesome. Let's go ahead and solve these equations. So here, right, I have 6 to the power of x is equal to 42. Now before, suppose you had 2 to the power of x is equal to 16. We could, since this is a base of 2, we were able to write the 16 as 2 to the power of something and then set these equal to each other, right? Well, here I can't do that. This is a base of 6, and I can't write the 42 as 6 to the power of something else. That means I have to have another way to get rid of that exponential. So what that is a logarithm. I take the logarithm of both sides. So I get log 6 to the x is equal to log 42. And now, like we learned previously, this x comes down. Okay, now this is x times log 6, so I need to divide by log 6, divide by log 6. What I end up with is x equals log of 46 over log of 6. So this needs to be put into the calculator, and I get log of 46, exit out of this, divided by log of 6. Okay, I'll leave the bases blank. So is that exactly what I meant to put in the calculator? Yes, it is. This gives me 2.1368. Okay, next one. Take the log of both sides. So I get log 5 to the x is log 62. X comes down. X log 5 equals log of 62. Divide by log 5. So x is log 62 over log of 5. So here, log 62 over log 5, 2.5643. Right? We're going to the 10,000, so that's 4 decimal places, 5643. Okay, next one. Take a logarithm of both sides. This x moves downstairs. So I have x log 4 is log of 19. Divide both sides by log 4. X is log 19 over log of 4. So we get log 19 over log of 4. 2.1, so let's see, 2.123.963. I'm just going to go a little bit more here. So we have to round to the 4th decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Because the number after it is greater than 5, I have to add 1 to this. So this becomes 2.1240, right? The 39 becomes a 40. Okay. Here, log of both sides. So 3a comes down. I have 3a log of 5 is log of 19. Okay. Divide both sides by log of 5. So 3a is log 19 over log 5. 3a is equal to, let's see. You know what? This is so similar. I'm just going to press up button twice and bring this back and edit this because it's log 19 over log of 5. Oh, look at that. I get 1.82948 ... Okay, but I need to solve this for a. So I got to divide by 3. I get a is equal to. Now, don't type in the numbers again. Just press divided by 0.609827. I'm going to round it to the 4th decimal place, 0.6098. Okay, moving along. The change of base formula allows us to rewrite any logarithm with a different base of our choosing, right? The way in which you do that is, suppose here, right here, there is a log of a, but I want to change the base. Okay, so I say log of a new base of this top number, log of a new base of this bottom number. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that here. It says here to express each logarithm in terms of common logarithms. So we have to change the basis to a 10. What I do here is the following. I need to write a fraction. So log base 10, this upper number goes on top, over log base 10, this bottom number goes on the bottom. And that's it. That's it. That's all you're doing. You're just rewriting, nothing else. So here, it'll be log of the upper number, log of the lower number. And that is it. All right, that is section 6. Thank you very much.
Press start.